ready to make travel easier, safer, and a whole lot more fun. If you ever felt like travel takes more energy than it used to, well, you're right. But if you have the right tools, it can make a big, big difference. It becomes smooth, stress-free, and incredibly free. So today I'm sharing 40 essential tools from smart gadgets to handy apps and health must-haves. They will help you travel with confidence, comfort, and yes, a little extra style. Stay with me until the end. It will help you be prepared. I will list everything in the description for your convenience. I am an Amazon affiliate, and I do make a commission if you use my links. But if you do use my links, it does not affect your price whatsoever, okay? So we're going to start with smart travel gear, okay? I have 10 smart travel gears. So one is a lightweight suitcase. So airlines often restrict carry-ons, and they're getting stricter, okay? To 22 by 14 by 9 inches last I checked. Choose one under 7 pounds with spinner wheels so it glides easy and spares your back, and also makes it easier to lift into overhead bins, okay? Then we have packing cubes. These keep your clothes organized, wrinkle-free, and make security checks easier. TSA inspects your bag. Then we have 3, anti-theft crossbody bag, okay? They have hidden zippers, slash-proof straps, and RFID locking pockets to protect your passport and your credit cards. Number 4 is supportive walking shoes. If you plan on outings while you're on your travels, cushioning and arch support is crucial. Let you explore longer without sore feet, okay? And if they're new, break them in at home before you leave to avoid blisters on day 1. So number 5 is a collapsible water bottle. TSA rules require it to be emptied through security and then refill it at the airport hydration station. And you don't have to pay for those pricey water bottles. They will be handy while on your trip as well. You can take them to the beach or on a shopping adventure. So number 6, very important, portable phone charger, a 10,000 mAh power bank. It gives 2 or 3 full phone charges. Remember, airlines require these in your carry-on only, not checked luggage, okay? And then we have a neck pillow and a compact blanket. Memory foam pillows, they pack small and make for flights or on trains, nap-worthy, okay? Blankets that fold into pouches can double as cushions, especially great for long flights or even a road trip. Number 8, a luggage scale. Most airlines cap check bags at 50 pounds, 23 kilograms, way before leaving your hotel to dodge overweight. It is a good idea to check the cap at the airline or the airlines that you'll be using, okay? Number 9, TSA approved toiletry bottles. They must be 3.4 ounces, 100 mils or less, and fit in a quart-sized bag per the 311 rule. So there's no surprises at security. The 311 rule is a classic TSA guideline for carrying liquids through airport security in the US and many other countries. Here's the scoop, okay? Plain and simple. So the 3 means each liquid container must be 3.4 ounces, 100 mils or less, okay? The first one, all your liquid containers have to fit inside a 1 quart size clear, resealable plastic bag, okay? And the other one, each passenger is allowed 1 such bag. So that's your 311 rule, okay? It applies to shampoo, lotion, sunscreen, toothpaste, and even gels or sprays, okay? So if your bottle is bigger than 3.4 ounces, even if it's only half full, it won't pass through security, okay? And I think they're making changes, but just stick to this rule for now until all the changes are made everywhere, okay? Or check at your airport, all right? So I think it's just best to be careful. Number 10 is noise canceling headphones. Over-ear versions block cabin hum. Earbuds save space, right? So perfect for flights or even loud hotel neighbors, right? So you never know what kind of quality you're going to get as far as rooms, right? And then which of these gear items do you already use? Drop your favorites in the comments, okay? I love hearing what's in your travel kit. This helps everybody, right? So again, I will have everything listed in the description, and I am an Amazon affiliate, but it does not affect your cost at all, okay? So section 2, we're going to have digital tools and apps. So I have 10 of those. So we have 1, Google Maps offline. Download maps before you leave with your Wi-Fi. It's perfect for exploring without using data or draining your battery, okay? Number 2, Duolingo is a language learning app. Just 5 to 10 minutes daily, helps you order food or ask directions. Locals love when you try even a few words, break the ice, okay? Number 3, it's called XE Currency app. Instantly converts prices in shops or markets. No mental math is needed, no overpaying. Then we have number 4, Tripit or Wanderlog. They're travel apps. They help you organize your trips effortlessly, but they are different, okay? Tripit's purpose, they automatically organize your travel plans into one easy itinerary, okay? So you forward your confirmation emails for your flights, hotels, car rentals, etc., your tours and all that, right? And then Tripit creates a master schedule for you. I've never used it, so, please let me know how it works, but I wanted to make sure to include it, okay? It can give you alerts for flight delays, all kinds of stuff like that, okay? And you can share it easily with your family or friends. Wanderlog. So this is a more interactive trip planner, and it lets you build your itinerary from scratch or import bookings. You can add places you want to visit, routes, notes, and bookings. Create a custom travel plan. It's collaborative planning. It's great if traveling with others. Budget tracking offline. You can access it offline, maps and travel journal options. As for travelers who like to plan in detail, customize routes, and keep track of spending. Both apps help reduce travel stress by keeping your plans organized. Easy to access and ready to go, especially handy when Wi-Fi isn't reliable. So number 5, Airbnb or Booking.com. Flexible stay options, and they're often cheaper than hotels. Many listings now offer self-check-in codes, perfect for late arrivals. Then number 6 is Rome to Rio. You enter 2 points, and it maps out planes, trains, buses, and ferries, times and prices and connections, all in one spot for you, okay? And then number 7 is Uber, Lyft, or local ride apps. So they're safer than street taxis and no cash needed. In many countries, drivers even speak enough English for comfort. Number 8, WhatsApp. So this is free calls and messaging on Wi-Fi, so you avoid international roaming charges, okay? And then number 9, Google Translate. Use the camera mode to instantly translate menus or signs in real time. Great for restaurants abroad. Then number 10, travel insurance apps like Allianz. Store policies digitally and access emergency contacts instantly if something happens. What's your favorite travel app? I know there's so many, right? So comment below. Your pick can help others for sure. Just post them below. Just a reminder that links are listed in the description for your convenience. Next section is health and safety essentials, okay? And I've got 10 of those. So we want a compact first aid kit, okay? We just want Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, just the basics, just very, very basics, right? Minor scrapes, maybe a blister, a headache, stuff like that, right? Without having to track down a pharmacy. Maybe something for indigestion or diarrhea. So refill prescription organizer, Okay, so this one is important as well. And make sure you keep your meds in the original bottles until you get to where you're going. Okay, the labels must be visible. Then number 3, emergency contact cards. So you can buy them or you can just print a card with your name, allergies, emergency contacts. Useful also, even if your phone dies, right? I don't remember phone numbers. Do you? And then number 4, it's a doorstop alarm. A doorstop alarm wedges under hotel doors and sounds loudly if tampered with. It gives you peace of mind for solo stays, right? Fantastic. Then number 5, sunscreen stick. It's a solid stick that are TSA friendly and mess free. Great for on-the-go touch-ups at beaches or tours. Then number 6, hand sanitizer and wipes. TSA allows up to 3.4 ounces in carry-ons. Wipes also clean trays, tables, and hotel remotes. Germ hotspots, okay? Then number 7, digital copies of documents. Store your passport and ID in Google Drive or on the cloud. Quick access if originals are lost, okay? And then number 8, blue light glasses. Reduce eye strain from reading maps or binging Netflix on long flights. Number 9, small reusable utensil set. Ideal for markets, hotels, picnics, or even in-flight meals. You don't have to use those flimsy plastic ones, right? And then number 10, a folding walking stick or cane. It collapses into your bag and provides support on uneven streets or hiking trails. Hit like if you're feeling prepared or if you feel like this is making your travel a little bit easier. Being safe isn't about fear. It's about freedom. So just a reminder that links are listed in the description, and I am an affiliate, Amazon affiliate. And if you use my link, I will get a commission, but it does not affect your price. Please like and subscribe. It helps my channel immensely. So the last section, the last 10 things is comfort and convenience. Okay. So 1 is a mini laundry kit. So pack detergent sheets. They come in sheets now. So like a dryer sheet. And a universal sink stopper. So wash your essentials in your hotel. So your underwear, your bra, whatever, lightweight things, right? And then 2, an e-reader, like a Kindle. A slim device holds thousands of books. Lots that you can download over Wi-Fi before you fly and for offline reading, right? Number 3, healthy snacks. So like packs of peanuts or protein bars, okay? To avoid overpriced airport foods. Just a nice little snack. And then number 4, a foldable tote bag. It weighs almost nothing and unfolds for your groceries, souvenirs. Many airlines now charge for extra carry-ons, so this saves space. Then number 5, universal travel adapter. That is so important, okay? It covers outlets worldwide. Look for ones with USB ports, and then you can charge your gadgets all at once. And number 6, a small travel journal. Jot itineraries, notes from your locals, or favorite memories in a lovely keepsake after the trip. Like I said, previous videos, I like paper. So at 7, an eye mask. It blocks light in bright hotels rooms or on planes. Pair it with earplugs or a headset for better rest anywhere. Number 8, travel slippers or foldable flats. Slip into comfort in hotel rooms or after a long day exploring. Then number 9, waterproof phone pouch. Very important. Keeps your phone safe at beaches or in the rain. And yes, you can still text and take photos through it. And then the last one is a lightweight rain jacket. Packs down to almost nothing. And it's under 10 ounces. It's lighter than umbrellas and keeps your hands free. Here you go. You've got travel freedom in your 50s. It isn't about slowing down. It's about traveling smarter. Which of these tools will you pack first? Please comment below. I'd love to know what's already in your bag. Don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's keep thriving in our second act of life. Until next time, be brave, be strong, and love endlessly. Happy traveling, everybody.